give you a little tour of the new facility here. This is Mike's office, and we also have Billy and Dale over here. This is where, there's Mike. There's where Doug works in the irrigation system. And over here, that's a file room. And our new break room. And as you continue down the hallway, you have the janitor's closet, as well as the shower room. 2 bathrooms. And out this way is the ready bay. This is where we store supplies in here. It's also used as an extra room in case we have multiple pieces of equipment to work on. We have the fire suppression and golf storage room. Everything's on auto timers, so we've got all sorts of irrigation supplies as well as parts for golf. And here is the sharpening or grinding room. This year we built a crane gantry to lift heavy reels from the workbench down to the grinder. And here's the mechanics bay. In addition to the 2-post lift that we had, we purchased some Challenger lifts, which are mobile and allow us to lift some of our heaviest pieces of equipment completely off the ground. Also, we got a crane gantry, which has really helped us out. Right now, we're trying to get a little organized here before winter hits. And out through the back door here is our wash pad. Wash pad's complete with air, as well as 3 different hoses to wash off the equipment, and a 2-inch hose for roads for filling tanks, that sort of thing.